There are many ways to make money online, but it's important to keep in mind that earning money through the internet requires effort, time, and dedication. Here are some popular ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients online. You can work as a writer, web designer, social media manager, virtual assistant, translator, and more. Freelancing allows you to work from anywhere, set your own rates, and choose the projects that interest you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are popular marketplaces that connect freelancers with clients. 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring involves teaching students over the internet. You can offer your services to students of all ages, from elementary school to college level. Platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and VipeKid allow you to find students and offer your services as a tutor. 3. Online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers to improve their products and services. You can participate in online surveys or market research studies to earn money. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer rewards or cash for completing surveys or participating in studies. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. You can join affiliate programs through platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. As an affiliate, you promote products on your website or social media and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves setting up an online store and selling products without holding inventory or handling shipping. You can set up a dropshipping store through platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. As a dropshipper, you list products on your website, and when a customer orders a product, you purchase the item from a supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. 6. Online content creation. If you have a talent for creating engaging content, you can monetize it through platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or Patreon. You can create content in various forms, such as videos, podcasts, or written articles, and earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, or donations from your audience. In summary, there are many ways to make money online, but it requires effort, time, and dedication. You should choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals, and be prepared to put in the work required to make a sustainable income. Write your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.